How much do dental implants cost? This is a common question, but getting clear answers can be challenging. Knowing the cost without an initial consultation with your local dentist is nearly impossible. Well, how do you know if you're paying a fair price for dental implants? How do you know if you're not falling into a bait and switch tactic? How do you know you are paying for high quality, not substandard work? But even if you determine the price, the cost can vary widely by thousands of dollars. Did you know that some EU countries require dentists to post their prices for transparency publicly? Well, at least in our neighborhood, Mexico, many dentists post their prices online. But that's not the case here in the US. In this video, I'll help you navigate dental implant costs and offer insider tips on how to save, shop around, or make smarter decisions about prices when getting dental implants. My name is Ron. Welcome to Smarter Dental, where you get valuable insider information about dental care for you, the dental patient. I'm making a two-part video about dental implant prices. Well, in this video, I'll focus on single-tooth dental implants. In the next video, I'll focus on full-arch dental implants such as all-around-4, implant-supported dentures, and fixed bridges. So let's start with the basic cost of single-tooth implants. Single-tooth implants replace one tooth, two adjacent teeth, or a few missing teeth. Maybe you have a bad tooth that needs extraction. Maybe you're missing sections in the mouth. In this case, you need single-tooth implants to support a 3-unit bridge. Sometimes these are 4-unit bridges or even more. The average cost of a single-tooth implant is between $3,500 to $7,000 in the United States. The average cost in Mexico is around $1,300 to $2,500. Let's discuss the factors that affect the cost and why it fluctuates. Here's your top 8 checklist to help you navigate the cost of dental implants. Number 1, does your dental implant price code include the teeth? We have many clients who inquire about dental implant prices in Mexico. We tell them that a full tooth replacement costs approximately $1,800 per tooth. Some react dismayed. Oh, that's not much savings in my local dentist here in the US. I thought I could save a lot by going to Mexico. They quoted me $2,500 for a dental implant. Well, most of the time, their US dentist only gave them the dental implant price. They are not making apples-to-apples comparison. Let me explain. There are 3 major components of dental implants: the dental implant post that anchors the tooth to the jawbone, the abutment that connects the implant post to the crown, and then, of course, there's the crown or tooth. So let's revisit that cost. The person quoted $2,500 is only for the dental implant post. He has to pay for the other half, the cost of the abutment and the porcelain crown, which is another $2,500. So really, the apples-to-apples comparison is $5,000 for the US versus $1,800 for Mexico. That person will actually save 64% on the cost by going to Mexico. Why do some local dentists only give the price of the implant post? Well, maybe it's an oral surgeon who doesn't do crown restorations. So you have to go to another general dentist to finish the work. Maybe your dental treatment plan didn't include the second stage, which happens a few months later. Or maybe it's just deceptive practices. So what's the smarter dental tip? Ask your dentist for the total tooth replacement cost from start to finish. When you know the total cost, you can compare apples to apples. Number 2, how many dental implants do you need? Do you need one tooth extracted and replaced with a single tooth implant? Are you missing sections of the mouth? In that case, you may need a bridge. A 3-unit bridge supported by implants costs around $11,800. In Mexico, it's around $4,060. Do you need full arch implants? Maybe you're currently wearing dentures and just dislike it. Did your local dentist recommend all-on-4 dental implants? I'll dive deep into the cost of full mouth dental implants in my next video. So please subscribe to our channel to stay tuned. But what's the tip? Get a second or third opinion before agreeing to a treatment plan. You may be surprised how recommendations can vary from one dentist to another. Some dentists are conservative and want to save your teeth. If you can, saving your teeth is often the less costly and smarter decision. But some dentists may be over-aggressive and just want to extract your teeth and replace them with dental implants when there are other options. So what's the benefit of a second or third opinion? You might also be surprised by the big difference in cost between dentists. Number 3, have you added their pre-requisite procedures? Whoa, this one's a biggie. Maybe many of you come back from your local dentist seeing this. Where are all these lines with high cost? It looks intimidating. You might even be skeptical. Yes, Often there are more costs associated with dental implants than just placing the replacement tooth itself. Unfortunately, these costs can add up to the cost of the actual implant itself. So let's go through them. First is the initial consultation. This is the consultation cost with your dentist. Initial consultations may be more expensive if you see a specialist, such as a periodontist or an oral surgeon. Number 2 is the CT scan. A CT scan in dentistry provides detailed 3D images of your teeth, your jaw, and surrounding structures. This minimizes errors and issues during the dental implant surgery by allowing your dentist to analyze your jawbone structure for the optimal placement of dental implants. Number 3, extractions and bone grafting. You may have had a bad tooth that needs to be removed. Then your dentist performs bone grafting to fill the hole with bone-forming material so that it can receive a dental implant. Number 4, sometimes you see surgical guides there. Dentists design surgical guides from your CT scan to guide the accurate position of the dental implant post during the surgery. Number 5, IV sedation. You might choose IV sedation for implant surgery to reduce anxiety and discomfort. It may be necessary for complex procedures where you are nearly unconscious but unaware of the procedure. As you can see, the cost could increase depending on what you need. So here's your smarter dental tip. Ask your dentist for package prices. Package prices are all-inclusive and allow you to get teeth replacement from start to finish with a single cost. You can save up to 30% of the cost with package prices. Package prices, although, are more common for full arch implant treatments, which I will discuss in my next video. Number 4, do you have dental insurance? Do you have dental insurance that covers dental implants? Some dental insurance can cover up to 50% or even 80% of your dental implants. You can use that dental insurance with your local dentist in the US or in Mexico. You need to consider clauses and restrictions in dental insurance plans that might affect coverage for dental implants. These restrictions differ depending on the plan, and here are some of them. Number 1, missing tooth clause. This clause means that if your tooth is already missing before you get your dental insurance, well, it's not covered. This is a very common restriction in insurance plans. Number 2, your yearly maximum. This is the biggest disadvantage of using dental insurance to help offset the cost of dental implants. Most dental insurance plans have annual maximums, the maximum dollar amount that they will pay for dental care within any given calendar year. If dental implant costs exceed this maximum, you may be responsible for paying the remaining amount out of pocket. The typical yearly limit is $1,500. It's unfortunately not enough to cover the full cost of an implant in the US, and every little bit counts. Number 3, waiting period. Well, some dental insurance plans require waiting periods before covering certain procedures. If you need dental implants right away, they may not be covered until the waiting period has elapsed. The waiting times can vary from a few months to a year, which can be a bummer, especially if you're already in pain or have a missing tooth. Number 4, just other restrictions you need to be aware of. They may not cover your dental implants if they deem them as for purely cosmetic reasons, or your dentist has to prove that they're medically necessary, which is kind of vague. I've even seen things in insurance plans where if you're over the age of 18, they won't cover your dental implants. So what's the tip? Read the fine print in dental insurance plans before you purchase them. Study the coverages and the clauses to ensure you can accomplish your goals with your dental insurance, especially as it pertains to dental implants. By the way, you can, of course, use your PPO dental insurance plans in Mexico. Typically, the same percentages and limits apply. Number 5, experience level. Well, not every dentist is proficient at placing implants. Some new dentists may charge lower prices to attract patients, while some established implant dentists charge a premium. Periodontists or oral surgeons may charge higher prices than general dentists for dental implants. They specialize in these procedures. Expect to pay approximately 20% more for specialists. So if your dentist charges $5,000 for a dental implant, expect to pay around $600 for a periodontist or oral surgeon. That's typically not the case in Mexico. Specialists in Mexico charge about the same price as general dentists. So what's the tip? I always recommend that you avoid discount dentistry. You get what you pay for. Nothing is worse than having to get revision surgery. It can add several months to your treatment, double or triple your costs, and of course the hassle and toll on your health. Going to Mexico doesn't mean you get discount dentistry though. You can visit a top dentist in Mexico, someone who is US trained, has decades of experience, uses modern technology and top dental implant materials, and still save 50 to 70% on the cost. You just have to know how to screen them. Number 6, your location. If you live in a high-cost city like New York, Miami, or San Francisco, we'll expect to pay a premium. On the contrary, if you live in a small town or a city with only a few dentists, you may pay a high price as well due to lack of competition. I get it. It's not easy to shop around for dental implant prices. But what's the smarter dental tip? Explore outside your neighborhood. Or explore outside your city. Or yes, explore outside the country. Explore your options in Mexico. Dental implants are the #1 procedure people go to Mexico for because the price difference is huge. Number 7, brand of dental implants. Is your dentist using generic or top dental implant brands? Top dental implant brands may perform better and last longer than generic plans. Plus, they're easy to maintain throughout your life because you know that a trusted implant company will be around for a long time, as opposed to a generic brand that might go out of business. Never know, leaving you having a hard time finding components. What's the tip? Good dentists usually use top implant brands. Top implant brands include Straumann, Nobel Biocare, Neodent, or Zimmer. Someone using a generic implant brand may be doing so to cut costs at your expense. Number 8, type and quality of the crown. A few different types of crowns are used to finish and restore your dental implants, which can also affect the prices. Here are the 3 most common types of crowns listed in order of increasing cost. Number 1, porcelain fused to metal crowns, often referred to as PFM crowns. These dental restorations feature a layer of porcelain bonded on a metal substrate. Due to their poor aesthetic qualities, these crowns are not typically recommended for front teeth implants. Number 2, porcelain crowns. These popular and most common crowns are made entirely of ceramic material without any metal. They look very nice and are great for replacing visible front teeth. People also refer to them as Emax crown. Number 3, zirconia crowns. Zirconia crowns are the best type of crown for dental implants. They're the strongest and they look great. However, they can increase your cost of dental implants by a few $100s. Here's the tip. Don't just choose a crown solely based on what your insurance covers. Typically, insurance covers only entry-level crowns such as the PFM. Try to consider the durability, aesthetics, and compatibility of the crown with the surrounding teeth. Invest in better crowns because you see your teeth every day. Even 10 years from now, you'll be happy and satisfied when you look at your teeth. So, there you have it. As a general rule, find good deals, but don't go bargain hunting for the cheapest dental implants. It is just not worth the hassle. Well, it might take you 2 more months of saving to afford high-quality dental implants from a skilled dentist, but it is worth it. Or you can explore going to Mexico. Here at Deo Dental, we can connect you to premium dentists, not discount dentists, and you can still save 50 to 70% on the cost. I'll include the link below. Guys, if you like the content provided in this video, please support us by liking and subscribing to our channel. If there's a topic you would like to discuss about dental implants or dentistry in general, please share your comments below. Thank you for your time and see you next time.